Hi, today I will be reviewing this XUXRUS shower curtain rod and see how to install it from start to end. On the packaging you can see there are instructions given. In this pack you will get 2 adhesive brackets, 3 pieces of tension rods, 2 brackets and 2 sockets. So first you have to measure the bathroom where you are going to install it, and then here are the 3 pieces of rod which we will assemble one by one. So this one where this is hollow on both the side, this will be the middle piece and the other two will be the end pieces. So here you can see that there is a pinhole where we can attach this segment. That's nice and tight, and next we will attach the middle section, but before that we will insert this piece inside. Yeah. Now before we adjust the third piece we have to measure this rod. So for us the bathroom measurement was 59 centimeters. Six. So once you have a rough idea about what size you want, you can actually make the changes. Like you can adjust by twisting this part, pulling it out and putting it in, and when you twist it again it jams over here, it gets locked. So that won't be a problem, but first we have to put the third piece in. These are the expansion locks, which are a new upgrade to this product. While you attach one rod to the other, this expansion lock make the process easy and smooth, and this helps the rod not to bend at all. So it's nice and tight. Now we have to measure it fully. So what I said, that our bathroom length was 59 centimeters. So we have to measure roughly 59 centimeters and then take it to the toilet. Before installing the shower curtain rod, you have to open one bracket at the end and then insert the shower curtain in this way. Now before installing the rod, you have to clean the surface where you will be putting the adhesive brackets. So take a wet tissue paper and clean it off completely, and then at last you have to also wipe it off with a dry tissue paper. This stainless steel shower curtain rod from XUXRUS come in 4 sizes. So make sure to order the right size on Amazon. The custom spring which is inside this rod, it maintains permanent elasticity and increases load bearing without dropping. The expansion locks are a new feature to the shower curtain rod, which make the connection easy and smooth without even bending. The maximum weight capacity is 15 lbs to 25 lbs. Now it's finally time to put the adhesive shower bracket and secure it tightly into its place. Make sure these two adhesive brackets are parallel to each other. Now when you install the shower curtain rod like this, you have to adjust the final length of your rod by rotating it. If you want to adjust the length by few centimeters, you can just twist the rod to extend it or shorten it. And at the end, you can twist it a little more to make sure that it's tightly secured. And now you can see how sturdy it is. And finally, our shower curtain rod installation is complete. You can see my happiness and understand how easy it was to install. You see, this is a very sturdy one. The one which I just opened, that one used to fall upon our head, so it was very disturbing. But I think this one, the quality is really good, and the installation process is also very easy. So it's very sturdy actually. I think it will work great, and because especially it has these brackets, I think it won't fall. So it's, according to my experience, the installation process and the quality of the product is really good. So you can get your hands onto this. So it's a must thing that when you are coming to USA, you have to install a curtain in the bathroom. So the curtain rod installation was very helpful. And if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Till then, bye.